Hello everyone, it's Just a Dad. Today I'm doing unboxing and show you how to set up for the first time this Echo Spot with a clock. So here it is. It has a speaker on the front. There's a clock display. We're going to plug it in. Up here we got volume buttons. We can silence the microphone so it's not listening. We are going to have to plug it in permanently back here. There is a little rubber mount, so when it's kind of sitting there, it's kind of gripping. Overall, this is about 4.5 inches that way and about 4.5 inches that way. It looks really nice. It does come with a 15 watt power supply. You can plug this into 100 to 240 volts, 50 or 60 hertz. Output is 12 volts, 1.25 amps. And again, it comes with a really nice long cord. The cord is 5 feet long. So you're going to plug it in. Make sure you put it in all the way. It's going to stick out a little bit like that. Now, it does have to do an update when you first turn it on. It's going to do an update and it wants to connect to your smartphone. So you have to open up the app. And there might be a QR code here where you have to scan, or it may automatically connect to your app. Just leave your app open. Okay, so once the update is done, you can change the clock face in the app. It's got several different to choose from and the color. But we can swipe down, we can change the display brightness, turn it up a lot. You can set a clock here. This thing looks really nice. Again, we got volume buttons. Turn the volume up or down. Again, if we press that, it will not listen, and if we say the wake word, it won't do anything. It's got a line going across there. So yeah, this is just really, really nice. And so here are some of the different clock faces you can do. Again, I'm doing this in the app, and then we can also do the theme. You can turn it to 24-hour time too. And there's some of the different colors. Yeah, this thing looks so cool. It sounds really good. Again, when you're playing music, it'll display what music you're playing. You can control the thermostat. This is a touch screen, and you can do two-way calling. Now, there is no video with it, but at least you can hear, and you can hear the person and they can hear you. You can have a conversation. It does have Bluetooth capability. You can set an alarm, because this may be beside your bed. If you set an alarm and you need to snooze it, you're just going to go. It does have motion sense. You're going to go up and tap it with about 2 or 3 fingers. That'll snooze it. And if you need to turn it off, you can touch the screen to turn it off. I really do like this Echo Spot. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.